Oh yeah, when I went to introduce 𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗶𝘀 to mom and dad. Went to a cafe that had 𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗶𝘀. And we got to feed the 𝗀𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗶. And Mawanis actually got scared because the capybara was like, because we got to feed the capybara and I bought extra snacks at the cafe. And so I was like, Mom, you should go feed the capybara. And then like it got so excited about the food that it was like leaning towards mom and her hand, and she was like, no, I'm scared. And then she passed over the whatchamacallit, passed over the cup with all the plants to dad so he could feed him. but they love animals too, so they give good pats, good scratches. They were confused about what a capybara sounds like. It sounds like if you guys ever heard a happy capybara sound, it sounds like birds chirping. They were very confused. They're very squeaky.